Okay, here's our next Elite Kai puzzle type, Jigsaw Sudoku. This is a more intricate version of Sudoku. Again, Sudoku is not a math puzzle type. It's a numbers logic puzzle type, right? You don't have to do any calculations with Sudoku. You just have to find a pattern, okay? And there's intricate ones, complex ones, and so forth. Like always, you have the three buttons at the top: pages, bulk, and story. Pages allows you to customize page by page. Bulk allows you to create a book all at once, and story creates a cohesive story. Sorry, story mode creates a cohesive activity book with a story, consistent characters with a coloring book element on top of the puzzle type. Okay. Now I have a basics video going over the different functionality and features within the puzzle types. Okay. So for now, I'm going to go in the bulk. Okay. And I'm going to go with a 10 by 10 and make it hard. And grids per page, I'm going to go with 4. Okay. And I can title it anything I want. Okay. I'm going to go with a quantity of 20. When actually, yeah, 20 is fine. And I'm going to click add to queue. And right down here, I'm going to generate all 20 pages. Now you can also account for, not only is it 20 pages, but it's also the solutions. So here's 20 pages, but when I download this as a PDF, I'm going to do that right now actually and show you what's up. As you can see, I have to account for. Oh, I forgot to add the page number, but you can add the page number right here, right? Page number right here. Okay. You have to account for the solution pages, right? So that also comes out to your overall page count. So as you can see up here in the PDF, it's a page count of 40. Okay. Also got to add a copyright and instructional, which you can add right up here as well. Okay. Let me magnify that right here. Okay, so that's it for this. I hope you like this video. If you in the next video, we're going to go over, I believe, bridges, which is a cool puzzle game that you're going to like. See you in the next video.